Hello and welcome to my video showing off my website. Let's begin straight away. Upon entering the website, you'll notice a nice little animation, and I chose to go with a main page layout that had a title and subtitle. You'll also notice that a lot of the website is animated upon hovering and scrolling. You can use the navigation bar at the bottom to go to the section of choice, and you can see that the text there is animated upon scrolling. You can also hover on top of these images and read a bit more about the image that you hover on top. We can go to the product section here, and you'll see that I chose to use a card layout where everything is divided into little cards. I feel like this is aesthetically much more pleasing. It also divides everything into different sections, and it's really easy to follow and understand. You can hover on top of the cards and the text will appear like before to read a bit more. I feel like this is a really nice way of keeping a lot of text away from the screen, and you can just choose to read what it is that you want to read. These cards as well are animated. You can read a bit more about whatever you want about the card that you're hovering on. You can click on this button here and it'll take you to the reference of choice. Let's go back. We can go down to the process here. I chose a nice little timeline layout for to look at the process, which really allows you to see the different order of the tasks. It's really easy, really basic, simple, but when you do hover on top of the cards, you get a little bit more, a bit more of a description about the task itself. We can go down to the review section here. This is really basic. You can hover on top of these little bars, it'll animate it. The background shadow for a lot of these cards is also animated. It changes color when you hover on top of the card. And finally, we can go down to the contact us section here. When you click on the different boxes, some of these will allow you to autofill. So if you have a name pre-installed on your laptop, that'll pop up there. You can click on it, it'll autofill. I don't have that. There's also a nice little drop down menu here where you can choose your country and you can just write whatever you want in this section here. You can use this button to send your message, and that's it for the website. You can click here to go back to the top. And like I said, the website is animated, so you can just go everywhere and different things will be moving, and this is really nice. It's really interactive, and it's a really lively website which really embodies the sort of nature of the tribes itself. So that's everything.